Hello guys, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best Reacher grabbers. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PikStik Pro Aluminum Reacher. To access cans and books on high shelves, do not use the clubs or sticks that most people depend on. They are inefficient. They also lead to serious damages whenever items fall during withdrawal. Avoid using such remedies. A quality Reacher grabber such as PikStik Pro will serve you better. Made of anodized aluminum, this is a lightweight item. Most people, even the sick and elderly, can use it effortlessly. Its dual-channel shaft is also durable. Loaded to capacity, the risk of it breaking or bending is slim. To get a valuable Reacher grabber, look for a product that adds significant reach to your height. This PikStik Pro Aluminum Reacher is such an item. Measuring 32 inches, it is tall and functional. You can reach tall shelves and even your attics without straining. The 5.5-inch rotating jaws 360 degrees that it has are also ideal. Whenever you are cooking, dressing, or picking trash, you can grab most items easily from all angles. PikStik Pro Aluminum Reacher is fun to use. If you have a Reacher grabber that irritates you whenever it is in use, replace it with this one. Its unique trigger and handle design does not irritate the palm or hand. The trigger is also responsive. You only have to squeeze it an inch to close its wide 5.5-inch jaws completely. This is ideal for people with weak hands. Do not waste money on one of the low-grade Reacher grabbers that disappoint. Even though professional grade, PikStik Pro Aluminum Reacher is affordable. It is also under warranty. If it breaks or fails in less than a year, you will get a replacement free. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VIVE Reacher grabber. As people age and their muscles weaken, access to hard-to-reach areas such as shelves becomes an issue. People who spend a lot of time bending at work also develop serious back problems that lower their quality of life. We have many good remedies, though. The best electric wheelchairs boost our mobility. Premium Reacher grabbers such as VIVE, on the other hand, improve our access to hard-to-reach areas such as shelves. Buy yours to get a well-engineered household accessory that adds up to 32 inches to your reach. It also has a light ambidextrous design that benefits individuals with arthritis. This Reacher grabber from VIVE is easy to use. Unlike clamp-based models that require a bit of effort to operate, its suction-based system is convenient. The strong rubber used to make it grabs most items well. This includes boxes, cans, and bottles. You can also use it to retrieve pills, coins, and most other small items weighing up to 5 pounds. The aim of buying a Reacher grabber is to improve your quality of life. Unfortunately, most heavy models attainable online have a converse effect. Avoid them at all costs. Instead, buy this VIVE Reacher grabber. Its lightweight aluminum frame does not irritate hands or elbows. The material is also durable and rust-proof. Grabbing items using this Reacher is a cup of tea for many reasons. First, its long reach design is convenient. You can access hard-to-reach areas effortlessly and on demand. It also has an ergonomic handle with a comfortable, non-slip grip that people appreciate. Finally, the hanger and the lifetime guarantee this Reacher grabber has are ideal. At number 3, we have the Duromed Reacher grabber. Access to cans of food on high storage shelves is no longer as challenging as it was in the past. People no longer have to climb ladders or stools to access such areas. With a quality Reacher grabber such as Duro-Med, you will handle most duties easily for many reasons. First, made of plastic, its lightweight design is convenient. You do not have to struggle with a heavy pole to access the spare blanket in your attic or shelf. The material is also durable and comfortable to handle in most environments. Many at times, people waste money on items that fail to have a positive impact on their lives. This is not the case with this Duromed Reacher grabber. Its functionality in homes and commercial spaces such as offices is desirable. Buy one, for instance, to get a wide 2-1/2-inch jaw opening that fits most items. Both of its grabbers are sturdy. They also have interlocking jaws that grab items snug with minimal effort. Finally, if you pick up metallic items such as keys and cans often, this is the product for you. Its magnetic pickup tool works well. Most people buy Reacher grabbers to improve their reach to household or commercial items. At number 2, we have the Unger Professional Nifty Nabber. Are you tired of climbing stools or ladders whenever you are accessing high areas? Do you bend for long whenever you are picking trash on your lawn? To spare yourself these issues, consider buying a new Reacher grabber. Reputable models such as this Unger Professional Nifty Nabber, for instance, have feature-rich designs that benefit most people. Buy yours to get a 36-inch grabber for reaching both low and high items. You no longer have to climb stools or bend for long to complete household chores. Perfect for the elderly and invalids, the performance of this Reacher grabber from Unger Professional is desirable. Whilst working, for instance, you will not struggle to move it around. Its lightweight aluminum frame is portable. You can also lift and maneuver it on demand without exerting a lot of effort. Finally, you get a magnet for securing metal objects and rubber-tipped grippers for handling delicate items. Every day, people spend a lot of time clearing debris from yards or organizing their personals on shelves. Even though traditional ladders or stools ease this process, use this Unger Professional Nifty Nabber instead. Its comfort grip does not irritate the palm. You can use it for many hours without problems. Its rubberized jaws, on the other hand, secure items weighing up to 5 pounds. This is desirable. Unger Professional Nifty Nabber is a cost-effective Reacher grabber. If you cannot afford one of the collapsible ladders that are available online, buy this one. It is easy to use. Its quality design also serves people well for many years. You will like it, even though some people find Unger Professional's angles frustrating to use. This is a nifty Reacher grabber. Weighing just 5 pounds, it is one of the lightest products in this niche. Men and women of all cadres can use it effortlessly on a day-to-day basis. Its wide rubber jaws are secure, while the long-reach aluminum 34 inches used to make it is ideal. With one, you will pick items from cupboards and other high areas effortlessly. And finally at number 1, we have the ETTARAY 49036 Grip and Grab Reach Tool. To access high areas in their homes or offices, most people use the best telescoping ladders. Premium models are effective. Unfortunately, because of their hefty prices, most people cannot afford them. Some brands are also heavy, which frustrates the elderly and invalids. If you are one of them, use this ETTARAY 49036 Grip and Grab Reach Tool instead. Measuring 34 inches, it is tall and functional. You do not have to climb stools to access ingredients from shelves. Its multipurpose design also works well both indoors and outdoors. You will not regret buying one for day-to-day use. The quality of this ETTARAY 49036 Grip and Grab Reach Tool is exemplary. If you have used a few heavy or poorly balanced models for some time, you will like this one. Made of lightweight aluminum, for instance, you can use it for long without issues. It also has a sleek and well-balanced profile that you can use to reach and access most items effortlessly. Finally, with an original model, you get a rust-proof Reacher grabber that works well outdoors. To most people, this is an invaluable attribute. Because of its long-reach design, people do not bend or strain whilst using this ETTARAY 49036 Grip and Grab Reach Tool. It is easy to maneuver. You will also like its articulating head 90 degrees for many reasons. First, it grabs objects of various sizes effortlessly. With it, you can also pick high or low objects without damage. This Reacher grabber's comfortable design has made it a sought-after product all over the world. The comfort grip that it has, for instance, lowers motion fatigue. It is also non-irritant and has a soft non-slip surface that eases its use indoors and outdoors. Reacher grabbers are handy household accessories that ease access to hard-to-reach areas in homes. They are portable. Most models are also light and have easy-to-use designs that most people like. ETTARAY 49036 is such a product. Even though light, it supports up to 5 pounds. The long 34 inches and rust-proof aluminum used to make it, on the other hand, is ideal. It is durable. It also has a comfortable and non-slip handle. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.